Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You've seen my last videos where I had my truck out. It was really loud, an opinion and motor that I had in it. I had this here axial 27 turn with the stock pinion that came with the Everest 10, the 14 tooth or 13 tooth brass pinion there. I got this Novak 55 turn motor here. I just got done soldering wires on there. I got a it's on the other side. It's a 17 tooth pinion there. We're gonna get it in the truck here and see how she does in there. I am over here opening up what used to be my fourth course. As you can see, I mean, I got still a good bit of rock laid down here that I didn't take up from before. But I got all the way over to here done so far. I forgot what all I still had over here left. I gotta open up all this. I still got rock laying down through there. Yep, all the way out through there I gotta open up yet. So stay tuned, guys. Got the scale build out here today. I did change the motor and the pinion. So see how it does here. I did open up my fourth course that I had over here, so we'll see what happens. See how she does. Oh man, I know this motor's definitely got some good slow crawling ability and really good drag brake. A lot quieter than it was with the other pinion and everything on there, so that's a big plus. Oh yeah, really nice torque in that motor there. It's Novak 55 turn. Close. Scratching up my bumper. Yeah, it's got some really nice slow crawl there. Got a really big boulder coming up here. I'll kind of ride the edges around it. Maybe. Tire to climb up on it like that. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Kind of worried maybe that 18 tooth would have been a little too big for it, but it's actually doing pretty good. Get stuck here. There we go. Yeah, really nice slow crawl in there. Keep yourself on track. Now this part coming up here, I have a feeling I'm gonna bottom out. Get caught on the skid plate here. Oh, pull ourselves around it. in a big bind there. There we go. Got some tree root there hanging us up. Very nice. This part here is going to be tricky. Oh, got her. Yep, that's what I was afraid of. These small tires, even with the portals. There we go. Hear them rock sliders are smacking them rocks. Nice. That ain't the way I want to go though. Been a long time since I played on this over here. Drag brake held pretty good there. I didn't let all the way off the throttle, just enough to let it come down slow. Motor definitely has some really good crawling capabilities. I am running a 3S LiPo in this. I gotta come out here and cut these little stumps down some more. Uh-oh, got hung up here. Might have to go around the other way. Might have to come back around this way. Down this way. if I'm gonna be able to get up this. Nope. Bumper's too low there. We'll work a way around it. A few things I'll have to change for sure to accommodate for the small tires and all that. And I just lost forward and reverse. Something's bound up here. Either that or something shut off. Huh. I bet you that's what it was. Something's wrong with my servo. Well, well, there went my servo, I guess. So, it is what it is there. Well, guys, got the truck back to the house here, and I went over everything, and that's crazy. That was a brand new servo I just put in there. I don't understand what would make it go out so fast. But I don't know, unless there's a defect on it or something. But I've had many of them, and I ain't never had them go out that fast. But I got all the ones here. I'll put it in, and we'll get it back out there. So appreciate y'all watching. Thanks, and I'll see y'all in the next one.